So, good morning. We will be discussing the more aspect in the case of engineering drawing, the lecture 2. So, this is one of the topic that is lettering and dimensioning. So, it is an important aspect how to write. Lettering is how to write, and dimensioning is how to dimension a project. So, freehand sketch of different types of lines in engineering drawing are there. So there are lowercase letters and there are uppercase letters. Lowercase letters, just a minute. Lowercase letters are letters which are lowercase letter, lowercase letters. So A, B, small letters जो हैं, they are known as a lowercase letter and uppercase letter. Uppercase. So they are A, B, C like that. So they are the straight letters, and if they are inclined, so we write them like this. Okay. So we will be teaching you how to write these letters. Okay. So lettering is one of the topic, and then dimensioning, how to dimension a object. Suppose I have a plate like this, and there is a hole. Okay, so if I have to dimension it, so I have to dimension. There are certain rules. So say this is 40 millimeter. Say this is say 20 millimeter. Okay, say this is the center, and this is the radius of this. So we will write like this. Say this is 10, and if it is a radius, I'll write 10 r, and if it is a diameter, so I will write it is 25. So like that, you will learn all these in the due course. So lettering and dimension. So first of all, you must learn what are the different type of the lines. Okay. So drawing of lines. So these are the different type of lines. Let us try to learn one by one. The first is the continuous thick line. So its thickness is bold and it is thick. It is drawn like this. Second is a hidden line, and it is drawn with the HB pencil. Okay, HB pencil. This pencil also I will tell you. So ये मैं सारा आपको दे दूंगा. So you can refer it also. So hidden lines are drawn by the dash like this. Okay. Then center line or the axis line. So center line is drawn like this: one long dash, small, then the gap, then small dash, then gap. So it is drawn with the 4H pencil. Okay. Then short break line. Suppose we have to, I can open it like this. So it is a bold line. Okay. It is a dash line. So the dash are of the equal length and they are drawn at the listing. Center line is like this: a long dash, gap, then a small dash. So suppose this is a circle and I want to draw the center. So it has to be like this. It is to be drawn like this. Okay. So short break line. Short break line. If we want to suppose this is a some part is there and say it is 40 meter long. So I cannot draw 40 meter on a piece of paper. So I can draw it like this. I can say it is 40 meter, right? Then a long break, if there is a long break, then I have to draw it like this. Long break means 8, okay, for the long length. Then thin or continuous thin line. So thin line is drawn with a 4H pencil and chain is drawn like this. It is again drawn with the 4H pencil. Cutting planes. So this is a cutting plane line. This you will understand later. And then a continuous line. Then hatching line. These smaller lines are hatching lines. So let me draw it again. Suppose there is a part. Just a minute. Suppose there is a rod. So this is a rod I have drawn. And if it is circular one, then what I will do, I will draw the two lines like this. Two dots. And I will put the arrow mark here. I'll put the arrow mark here. So this I will say A, this I will say A. So if I cut this rod by this plane and I see from this side, so it will look a circle. So if it is solid, then what I do, I will draw the inclined parallel lines like this. Okay. So these are the hatching lines. Hatching line. And the outer one is slightly thick. तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो this is a hatching line ये वाली. So they are drawn with the 4H pencil and the outside is drawn with the HE pencil. Okay. So now next is just a minute. Uh, so these are the continuous thick line. So it is used as a boundary line of the drawing sheet and the title block at the bottom of the drawing for showing the end of the threaded portion visible. Okay. So a continuous thick line we have seen. Then a thin continuous line. So if you say why it has started. So this is a continuous thick line. And if it is a thin line, then we can draw with a smaller pencil. Okay? So thick line and thin line, construction line, extension line, dimension line, leader line, hidden lines. So all these things will be shown in the. So these are the different type of lines. Okay. So you can see here, it is a part. So you see a center line, how it is shown. Okay, it is showing the center. So this is a cutting plane line. So we are cutting it. So it's a cutting plane line. It is an outline. So it is drawn thick. It is a hidden line. Hidden line means there is a hole, but it is not visible. So we draw it hidden. We cannot see. Okay, so it is a hidden line. So these are the extension line which is used for dimension, and this is a dimension line. So this is a section line. So this is a long break you see what we are talking, and this is how we show the angle. This is how the locus line is shown. Okay. So because your dimensioning and lining and lettering, this chapter is not in very much detail, but I have to teach, so I am giving you an idea. Now you see, there is a convention for representation of the material. Suppose if we have to represent a part which is made of steel, cast iron, copper, or its alloy, etc., then we will show it like this. Okay. If it is of lead, zinc, white metal, then we will show like this. Okay. Now, conventional rectangle, for showing the rectangle, we use this. For showing the rounds, we use this symbol. For showing a pipe or tube, we either use this or use this. Then pipe and tubing. Okay. So either when we cut it, so it is either we show it like this or we cut it like this. Okay. So ये सब आपको ड्रॉ करने आने चाहिए. तो मैं एक इसकी शीट दूंगा आपको, उससे आप इसकी हेल्प लेके ड्रॉ करेंगे. Now, so lettering, as I told, so we can divide the letters into the two types. One is the uppercase letters and secondly the lowercase letters. Okay. So similarly, the ratio of the height and width, suppose 7 is to 4 or 5 is to 4. Okay. So normally I, J, M, W, which is 5 is to 1, 5 is to 3, like that. Okay. So letters are written either by freehand or with the help of the stencil. Stencil पता है आप लोग को नहीं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सो यहाँ पे हम फ्री हैंड हमने सीखना है. सो स्टेंसिल तो बाद में आ जाता है. सो वी कैन से सपोज वी वांट टू राइट द कैपिटल लेटर, सो वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. ओके. Small alphabets A B C D like this, and numerals 0 1 2 3. So this is known as the lettering. Okay. So there are six uh, strokes. Just a minute. So these six strokes are there. So either we will move the pencil like this or like this, downward stroke, incline downward, or we will use the pencil like this, or like this. When we have to write M, so we will first have this, then second stroke, then third stroke, then fourth stroke. Similarly for writing W, one stroke, second stroke, like this, third stroke and fourth stroke. Similarly for writing R, so down stroke, round like this, and then this like this. Similarly for S, so S के लिए first we will write like this, then like this, we will make it up to there, and then we will join this. Okay, so these are the six fundamental strokes which you will use for lettering. So as I told, the 7 is to 4. So that means 7 is this side is 7, and this ratio is 4. समझा? So we will
Yes,
write.
sir.
Uh, so for writing the lettering, because it is difficult to write here. Anyway, what we do, we draw first the parallel lines like this at the equal interval. Okay. Suppose I say you write 5 is to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines आपने निकाली. Then vertical 1, 2. Either you can use graph sheet or you have to draw the lines with the help of the mini drafter. तो मैंने कल बताया था. तो बन गया है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So suppose I have to write A. So I have to write in 5 is to 4. So 5 is to 4. So this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I have to write like this. So it will go, I will write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll join it here and okay. सो ये स्केल से नहीं करना है, ये आपने फ्री हैंड करना है. So that is known as the freehand sketching. तो शुरू में you have to draw the line, otherwise then you have to draw it like this. Okay, so it is A. Similarly, you have to draw B. So you see, I am drawing with the mouse like this. So neat. So B. Okay, then C. So you have to write between the line only, so that their dimension is proper. Okay. So you see, these are the procedure of writing 1 to L, then 2 like this 1, then 2, 1 you will write this, then second will be this, then third will be this, and then fourth will be this. Okay, so these are the family groups of the letters that you can read and you can learn. ये मैं वीडियो आपको डाल दूंगा, तो आप दोबारा भी देख सकते हैं, इसको पढ़ भी सकते हैं. ठीक है. So you see, these are the other groups. So how to write these letters? So when I'll give you the tutorial, at that time you can see this. Okay. Now you see, these are the other families of. Suppose you have to write P. So first you will write like this P, then second stroke, then from here third, and then fourth. So you see, these are the grids. ये जो बनाया है पैरेलल लाइंस, ये हमने ड्राइंग शीट पे खींच लेनी है like this. You can take a suitable distance of, normally it is kept this distance, it is kept 4 mm. Okay. You can keep bigger also, but not more than 6 mm. So 4 mm, 4 mm का grid बना लेना है. Similarly, for writing the numerals, so this is a procedure. ठीक है. So these are some of the examples you see. He has written 2. So he has started from here. So from here up to here, then like this, from here second, and then third. So you see, so ये proper बनेगा. Similarly, the 4 you can write either this way or this way, this way or this way. ठीक है. So these are the some of the examples. So these are the vertical alphabets. ठीक है, capital alphabets. So when you will get a good practice, then you need not to draw the so many lines. Then you can only draw the 3 lines and you can mark it like this. Okay. You can mark it, you see, 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, 1 B के लिए, ठीक है, then 2, then 3, and then 4, 5. Okay. Similarly, for writing C, so first this, then second. Similarly, for writing D, so I think ये clear हो जाएगा आपको. क्यों बेटा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये इससे पढ़ लीजिएगा. ठीक है.
Practice कर लेंगे.
These are italics. ठीक है. Both है straight letters, vertical alphabets. These are italics. A, B. So this angle, ये जो angle है, ये angle. So this angle. So this angle. This angle is normally, so we measure it from other side. So we say it is 75 degree. और इधर कितना रह जाएगा? इधर 15 डिग्री रह जाएगा. ठीक है. So either it can be 75 or it can be like this. So you see how inclined letters have been written in the grid. समझ में आ रहे हैं? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So this is a practice of the. तो आपको जो ट्यूटोरियल शीट दी जाएगी एक्सरसाइज के लिए, वो इसी पे दी जाएगी. वो आपने बना के जमा करनी है. ठीक है. आगे हम बताएंगे आपको अगले टर्म पे. So you see, these are the letters which are given. So you can take the help how to write A, how to write B, how to write C, how to write D. समझ पाएंगे नहीं? जैसे 2 लिखना है, देखो तो 2 कैसे लिखना है? इंक्लाइन पे. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये 3 आ गया आपका, ये 1 आ गया यहाँ से यहाँ तक. ठीक है. यहाँ से फिर 2 ऐसे आए, फिर then 3 आ गया. Okay, so it is like this. So these are the lowercase letters. Okay, and this is how you can read all these things. So italics letter of lowercase, italic vertical letters of lowercase. Okay, so we can have a break of 5 minutes and then we will start again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We can have a. I'll join again. We can have a break of 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
चंदा ड्राइंग की क्लास थोड़ी लेनी औखी है समझ नहीं आता किस तरह पढ़ाई होती है मैं तेरी अपनी माइक ऑफ करता हूँ So you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, हाँ, तो कल हमने आपको बताया था ड्राइंग बोर्ड्स के बारे में. तो यू सी दिस इज अ ड्राइंग बोर्ड ऑफ A3 size, and it is made up of pine wood, and it is available in the market also. तो जब आप अगर यहाँ होते तो these drawing boards are there in the lab. So if you don't have this, you can use the your table also. ठीक है. So these are the grades for pencils. So you HB pencil अभी तक आप यूज करते हैं. So there are grades HB, B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B, 9B. Okay. So how many grade? 3, 3, 6, and 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So B is softer than HB. 3B is still softer than HB. So that means 9B is very soft. So we use only B. And from B to 9B, architecture people are using. Okay. So this is basically used to shade. Okay. Carbon content is soft hota hai, so it is used for the shading purpose. Now, similarly, the H grade. So there is a F grade, and then H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, 6H, 7H, 8H, 9H. So 9H is hardest and lightest. Okay? So normally we use 2H, 4H, 3H. Okay? So you can see this chart for information. So for artistic work, we use these grades. Okay, soft grade. So B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B. So you see from 2B to this block falls for the soft grade or the article. Medium grade we use for the drafting work. So drafting work B, HB, F, H, 2H, 3H. And hard grade is for the precise work. Suppose we have to draw a very fine line. So we use this. So 4H, 5H. So normally you have to purchase, you have to work with HB, and you have to use 2H and 3H, or H and 2H. Okay. So normally this H and 2H pencils, they are available in the market. So these three pencils you have to use. You need not to use this HB pencil for drawing. Like suppose we have to draw the hidden line. So we will be using the H grade. Suppose we have to draw the center line, then we have to use 2H grade. ऐसा नहीं कि HB ग्रेड से आपने सेंटर लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी. तो अगर ऐसा करेंगे तो उसके नंबर कट जाएंगे. ठीक है. Now you see, this is a T square. This we use when we are not using the mini drafter. So this was the T square. So this is the head. So these are the blades, and this is the working edge. So normally this we put along the side of the drawing board. If you see this one, so this is the pilot edge. Okay. So we put the T square here, and we move along line like this. Okay. So you see he is drawing the horizontal parallel lines. So it can be drawn. Suppose he has to draw the vertical lines, then this is a set square. तो ये सेट स्क्वायर अनइक्वल है. एक साइड इसकी 60 डिग्री होगी, एक साइड 30 डिग्री होगा. सो वी कैन ड्रॉ द पैरेलल लाइन एंड वी मूव along like this, so that all these lines are at the same distance. So you see, so you can use this. Okay. So we can use for the triangular this thing, we move the things and we use the triangular lines. So now this is a mini drafter. So this is, as I told you, you have to purchase this, and you have to purchase the pencils, you have to purchase the compass, you have to purchase the set square, and you have to purchase the mini drafter. So mini drafter you can use on the table also like this. Okay. So can you use this? You have to put this clamp here, इसको टाइट कर लेना है और इसको यहाँ 0 पे सेट कर लेना है. तो you will be having all these lines at perpendicular. You can draw the sheet and you can fix it. So now dimensioning portion, I think we will dimensioning we will skip for the time being, and I should tell you something else. Dimensioning I will take up later, because ये सारा का सारा बस इतना आपको dimensioning समझ में आएगा, ठीक है. Then we have the so this one is clear to you or not?